A year last week, news be HRC say echo viral. Say nkrofo bi mo a womo de womo agye atum say seven prediasa. Womo ye gays and lesbians. Womo ye kuo. Ye from the Pan-African International Lesbian, Gay, Bisexual, Trans and Intersex Association. Na womo international group lesbians ni gays ene emba womo ayo mo ho se womo ye mbema na mbema womo asese omo ho abeyo omo mba womo ye mo omo ho anoma yo ma je se womo ebeye conference wo Ghana ha se ye ne ayi se Ghana there still your laws no it doesn't permit for that so gains and sem no nkrofo yi ayo ma je se womo be hodi womo conference wo Ghana ha Ghana for bebre sorry tia ye wo hwe social media nkrofo kasate say hey ye ma mo kwan Ghana ha say etiamra sa gain sem ni tiamra nti ye ma mo kwan ma mo mba Kennedy Japan kra kasete ya say ye mo kwan ene ni asema Kennedy Japan kan say Ghana ye mo kwan wo mo pese wo mo ye mo ade a wo mo mfam fi hanko ade na wo international group wo fi wo be bi say wo be hodi eye conference ewo Ghana ha say. And this is not the first time I will hold the conference way. This is their fifth conference. Now this time around, I want person more here Ghana. Mostly no more here other countries. Now this personally me who say this is a mover. One more person one more na Ghana by force ye G2 minto ma shada say one more be conference wa ha. Ghana for be sorry tia. Now Ghana lawyer back one first. Now we here Ghana Boxing Association president. I friend Mr. Lawyer Moses Fo Amoni. Ono de we asema wo bae ade a wo chimpa ene sa gay ne lesbian no. Wo ye lawyer mo a nanso wo kasetia sankrofo no. Wo se sankrofo no mo kan human rights nsensem no mo form adwen enkoda baby. Wo no nso eba bonti be ka se share pass mo wo be ba be hodi mo gay conference wo Ghana ha se na ka eji onu wu pass wo no ti ase wo mpene masade na enkoso. Nesanse mpanyifo akasetia Ghana for social media ye kasetia Kennedy Japan kraba bontin ebe kasetia ye no na yesusu se nkrofo we ebia won behu ne se no Ghana is a no go area ende ye beda asori a nkrofo yi ese hwe Ghana for na mo mu fi se mo ye hwan ye se ye be ye na me se by force o se wo ba obi fie o se member o se wo o de wo ho nti wo beba me tias you nkrofo isi masa Ghana for mo president kran kasa still ye beba be ye etifo ene easy o nkrofo ni si ye kosro eba from ekwahe wo mo beba be ye na wo mo mandate kra 27th to 31st July wo mo beba Ghana abeye wo mo gay and lesbian conference e wo ha se ene si na be nsembe nsuni intimate asem na me se da bi asem we die e wo se ye kasa fa ho sabe abensembe ni usi wo be ya de obi ho o se wonje wo ye memba uso se memba upe memba ena me ne o ka se yi ukọ nkrofo no wo mo website so a wo mo trouble ho kese se wo mo ba Ghana 27 to 31st July ama de eyehi e wasem ho ne kra ne se wo mo ask for donor support. Say Ghana for a person who donate more, money donation more. Hey, it's a full penny. Hey. Just say, Takashi sensei the minty be crada. By force. I say many. Obi Asuma. Sa Pan-African Lesbian International Lesbian Day. Obi Asuma. Yet ye baby J ho. Yet ye baby gay ho musumo be ye mo gay conference ha yes ye mamo kwan still musumo beba na same way wo say the ti wo mo e de be ye politics kra e de ye mate say some of the NDC communicators kra sha say kan say microphone say na wo mo de film make say mu pro ye be kwa koye na tre say president de nsa sha ase a wo mo ho kwan say wo mo mbra mbeye wo say na NDC for so be ebi mo de asem na afa. That is the comment that some NDC communicators have started. And brami who lady say Hannah, your friend say Hannah Bisu. Meaning say on the NDC for mbani din ya na me she den ni mo papa. Em say Hannah-Bissey lo se den. Eno ni nsema wo de betu ja. Se sa nkrofo ise ne wo mo de akukudro ka se mo mpo ye be ba be ye no na twa se president nsa e hye ase. Na NDC for so say the enti a eye sa ne say some kaya 2 or 3 years ago ye interview president e wo abrochi e na ebisa ne say aden na Ghana yenji gay entum e na president ka say it is because gay for no sorry ye say wo mo ask for their rights. Ghana for bebre e kasa tie Akufo-Addo say the Akufo-Addo aka na enye na twa say sisia no wo ma gay for no apo say wo mo sorry no mo sha say wo mo ask for their rights Ghana ye beji gay atum. Inti nkrofo so say a statement no eno na nam so e man nkrofo we e yo mo adwen say wo mo e be ye gay conference wo Ghana ha say because nini na it's a processor wo mo be sorry etia say ye mo wo right no ne san say Akufo-Addo aka say wo mo sorry e ka say ye mo right na ye be mo ni nti no eno ene asema che say eda ho nti NDC fo no so ahia say de ka say Akufo-Addo wo ndia waye apo a wo koma nkrofo no eno na nne ye ka say ye mo be ye gay nsem no wa hakra na wo mo si wo mo be ye na sa ko na me ka wo asem no Mukohwe wo mo website to asema wo mo atro e wo ho ne say the unique strength of this network is that it is connected to a global movement through gay and lesbians the International Lesbian and Gay Association International and serves more than 1,300 organizations from around the world. Wo mo person mo trese wo mo ye kuo bia they have international links. Or say they are connected to a global movement. As a global movement, we are finding na gains and sem no womo de womo ahonde ya womo edibe gina inti Ghana fo mo mpo omo beye na nkrofo ya ye kom wasemi they have people all over African countries. Some of the countries are womo members every Algeria, Burundi, Cameroon, Cote d'Ivoire, Republic of Congo, Egypt, Swaziland, Gambia, Ghana hakra womo so womo members womo every Ghana ha say womo members womo free Kenya, Liberia, Libya, Malawi, Mali, Mauritania, Mauritius, Morocco, Mozambique, Namibia, Nigeria, Rwanda, Senegal, Sierra Leone, South Africa, Sudan, Tanzania, Togo, Tunisia, Uganda, Zambia, Zimbabwe. When we say countries here, they have members from those countries. It's the fifth regional one now. The Ghana has no member because the other 4 ones are and also other African countries. And also, sir, in Kofuso Ritia or Monanso still one ye. In the Ghana for ye, the Krana still member. Masa, yempesa mbe yinsem no. Masa. Yempesa mbe yinsem no. Me ka kire wo mo. Yempesa mbe yinsem no. Me de uyo onipa na wo se ubeye gay, ubeye we a eye wa wasem. Gay nsem nya asem a me fu aso kra. Na so wo na wo de wo ho. Wa life na wo se wo ubeye a. For me it is not good, but for you also you good. Just don't come near me. Maybe dear, that's my policy in life. I don't like gay and lesbian and sem no. But also obeya, just don't come near me. It's very simple. Don't come and tell me human rights, I'm discriminating. No, I know what I want. Just don't come near me. Baby, I'm not telling you to stop doing your thing. As far as I can see, no, just don't come near me. What's the who be my muna wa be ba kono se wo ma okwan ngrofo kasa on social media say hey say Ghana ye be ma okwan na ya say also say ane me ba be ye by force masa o man we mu sa de ne kran no masa etiamra into who ba say wo be ye gay conference for her e was say ye chill tum because Ghana say me ye ka say we etiamra me susu say wo bi say wo koye we conference Ghana police wo mo mpene Emani bakono enkonkoye. It is a gay conference in Sensem no. Mama famo bo mo sa musio we masa yen so intermediate. I am siding with Kennedy Japan and Moses Fuamweni a wɔn ɛka sɛ wɔn mpene ɛma gayfoɔ ne mba no I'm siding with them sɛsɛn ɔbɛma kɛntin kapaa wohu ɔbaa sɔkɔ pokie gyegyegyina na wɔsɛ me sɛbe mprediasa menkɔfa wɔ bɛma wogyimi ana sɛbe mprediasa menkɔfa wɔ bɛma to adɛn amba ade masa yɛn sosɔ mo so ate